Want to personalize your iPhone with a unique text message sound? Super simple. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to change your text message sound so you can pick the perfect tone for your notification. Let's get started. Solution 1. Change text message sound in settings. First, open the settings app. Next, scroll down until you see notifications and tap on it. After that, scroll down to find the messages app and tap on it. Now, once you're in the messages settings, scroll down and tap sounds. Here, you'll need to select the tone you want to specifically for text messages. Then tap sounds and haptics. After that, tap on text tone. Now you can browse through the list and tap on a tone to preview. Once you find the sound you like, tap back to save your selection. And that's it, you've successfully changed your text message sound on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Have any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in.